integrating the SDGs into these plans and ensuring the implementation cannot be successfully achieved by government alone. This is why strong collaboration with the private sector throughout the process is critical for reaching a win-win situation. For example, the financing gaps for major projects can be filled by private sector investment through appropriate de-risking mechanisms provided by the public sector and other partners. Second, we now have an ambitious development framework to engage all countries rather than just developing ones.
Well, so we know that this was